In today's video, I'll show you how to create your N8n account so you can start automating tasks and building powerful workflows right away. The process is quick, simple, and only takes a couple of minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or anything else. Once it's open, type the official N8n website address in the search bar and head straight to their home page. This is where your setup begins. On the home page, look for the Get Started button. It's usually placed right where new users can see it easily. Click on it and you'll be taken to the sign up page. This is where you'll enter your details to create your account. You will see fields asking for your full name, your email address, a password, and an account name. Choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but secure enough to protect your account. Using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. Once you've filled out everything, submit the form. N8n may show you a few quick onboarding questions to better understand how you plan to use the platform. These take only a moment and help personalize your experience. That's it, your N8n account is now created. You can start exploring the dashboard, customizing your space, and building your first workflow. Setting up your account is the first step toward automating tasks and making your work much more efficient. Enjoy exploring N8n and happy automating.